This is a review of the cylinder head I purchased from Clearwater Cylinder Heads. As you can see, packed very nicely, clean. Comes with this little tag with some instructions on it. But first glance, see that comes with the whole rocker assembly, all the valves, rockers. It does not come with the cam seal, but you can see like down those are the exhaust runners. They're super clean. Um, and the intake runners you see are super clean as well. All new valve seals, everything. So it should just be bolt on, except for the two things are it says it must have a cam seal and adjust the rockers if need be. When I put mine in, it didn't need to be adjusted at all, just the cam seal. There were a few things that I would suggest to watch out for before you send your core back. Like, for example, the head that came didn't have the bolts or the mounting portion for the valve cover. And this is for a D16 Honda Civic. Also, I was missing one stud for the intake manifold um, that you can see is on the old head right there. Something that I forgot to do while I was installing the head is I forgot that the whole side right here, there's all these sensors that are supposed to go in there. One is uh, coolant, one is oil temperature, and then also on the side, the passage for the coolant in the front of the head. This is the actual website of Clearwater. You go in, pretty simple. You pick the year. Mine was for a 1991 Honda Civic. And you just easily scroll through this, see what you're looking for. The beauty of the car that I'm working on, which is a 1991 Honda Civic, is it's a D series. So the D15 and the D16 have the same exact cylinder head. Takes a minute to load. And you scroll down here and you see it has two options. One is a with a core and one is without. The without the core was $395. And they give you 30 days to send the core back. You just put it all in the box like you see mine was all disconnected and stuff. Not all attached. You just put it together in the box like that and they'll put it together. So go ahead and add it to your cart and then you'll see what shipping is. I You go down just a little bit and right here where it talks about calculate shipping, I put all my information, Utah, all that stuff, and update, and it actually there's a flat fee for shipping. It's $35. So you can see, so out the door, a bolt-on head for $430 for a D series is pretty good. As you see, this was what it looks like when it's bolted in. I started it right up, and it started the first time like it was a brand new car. So I suggest to use them if you need any more cylinder heads.